Hi folks, today we are going to install Store Mapper on a Squarespace website. I started with an e-commerce theme. You can see right in here the template is the Foster theme. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and add a new page and then drop our snippet of code in. So we're just going to add a new page. Let's just call it our test and start editing a blank page. And so let's just go in here and add ourselves a block. And you will notice as you scroll down, you can open up the source code box. I'm going to switch over to my Store Mapper account, which you just log into, and sign in. And you will see from here I have some test data loaded up. And right here you see the embed code widget, which pops open, allows you to copy it, and then it will allow you to paste it. Now, as I mentioned, this is a test set of data that's already in here. We have several tutorials that show you how to individually load up or bulk load up your all your store data, so you can do that there. So I'm just focusing on loading our information into Squarespace. Now we're going to save that. And then you can see our page populates with my test data that I uploaded. Just expand our view a little bit more here. You can see the test page has been added up here. And what it's doing is it's pulling up all the pre-populated data. And then it's as simple as going into a region that you are searching for. So I'm searching for a region that doesn't exist. So I'm searching for, what's good that I'm doing this live, so you'll see that it doesn't actually pull up incorrect data. Try a different zip code. Cedar Park, Texas. So as you'll see, all the locations pop up. You can click on more information, the website, which again, this is all populated through your store upload, directions to it, multiple options, and you can even change your categories. These are some things you can custom define if you want to shop by or locate by certain categories. You can change your search radius to 150 kilometers, or you can change that to miles in the back end. So you have a lot of options. That's basically it. It's just copy and paste, and we're here if you have any support questions. Thank you for viewing.